See, what we learned, phosphorus is hyperactive. It has bone affections. So, because of bone affections, there is one important symptom for growth. What we learned is that they will grow very fast. And another symptom we learned is because of the fast growth, there will be growing pains. Correct? यहाँ तक clear है? ये अभी बाजू में रख दो. Second is we learned phosphorus is very important for metabolism. If there is no phosphorus, there is no ATP. ATP नहीं है तो there is no energy production. Zero energy production. So in phosphorus, one of the important symptoms will be weakness, exhaustion. Correct? What is the characteristic expression that patient will give you that will tell you that this is phosphorus kind of exhaustion? We learned that in Kali, what is the kind of weakness you will see? हाँ. The characteristic expression is एकदम जान ही निकल गई, कुछ बचा ही नहीं अभी. It's like life is gone. Okay, more than Kali, it is a symptom of carbon actually. Carbon feels life is gone. It is a remedy between life and death. Carbo-veg, needs fanning, end stage, patient is going to die. That kind of exhaustion is carbon exhaustion. Like एकदम जान ही निकल गई doctor. हाँ? If the patient tells you, my weakness is like this doctor, that if I move, I am feeling very weak. I am feeling very exhausted. In this exhaustion, now if I try to move, I will get weakness along with pain. Weakness along with pain. If I move my part, weakness तो और बढ़ेगा ही, but weakness के साथ दुखने लगेगा मेरे को. Weakness along with pain. So patient will tell doctor, पेट दुखता है. If I move, the pain will increase. I am feeling very exhausted. If I move, stomach pain starts. I am feeling very exhausted. If I move, leg pain starts. I am feeling very exhausted. If I move, I have headache. Getting it? Huh? Crushing weight on vertex from long-standing or exhausted nerves. Headache, crushing weight on vertex from long-standing grief or exhausted nerves. इतना तो clear है ना? Long-standing grief or exhausted nerves. Huh?
Yes.
Now what we learn, with exhaustion there will be pain. So इसमें headache दिया है pain. ठीक है ना? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. But what is peculiar of the headache is, the sensation is like a crushing weight on the vertex. Okay? Aggravated by least motion, noise, especially music. Aggravated least motion. You understand that?
Yes.
Yes, no? Now tell me bryonia. Very good. So in bryonia, the aggravation least motion is because of inflammation of that part. Okay, so for example, one of the symptoms of bryonia is they want to press the chest or this so that they should not even breathe. That is because of what? Because the pleura are inflamed. Every breath that they take, the pleura are rubbing. So they don't want that to move. So they will press it so that there is no motion there. Okay? When you see plain inflammation, not very destructive inflammation, थोड़ा किसी चीज से थोड़ा inflammation हो गया है, and that inflamed part does not want to move, that is bryonia. ठीक है? Headache of schoolgirls from eye strain or overuse of ice. Yes or no?
Yes.
Of students who are growing too fast. So next symptom is interstitial inflammation of bones, scrofulous, psychotic, syphilitic, mercurial. Yes or no? Up till now.
Yes.
Huh? Why?
Disturbance.
Degeneration and especially bone affections. No? Okay. Periosteum, inflamed, pain, burning, tearing, as if scraped with a knife, caries, rickets, but not necrosis, growing pains. I don't know why he wrote not necrosis. In other books it is written necrosis. He has written not necrosis. Okay? Clear ये वाला symptom?
Yes.
Yes or okay. Boring, drawing, digging pain in nerves of extremities. Okay. Necrosis in stump after amputation. This is another important symptom. Necrosis of stump after amputations. So in acids, what you will also find is ailments after surgical operations. Why? Why? Because there is also vital fluids. They don't recover after surgery. Okay. After surgery, I feel exhausted. After surgery, I have never recovered. I always feel weak since my surgery. And especially if that surgery has led to some degeneration or necrosis of parts, then it is more towards phosphoric acid. समझ रहा है? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, good. Next symptom is diarrhea, painless, not debilitating, white or yellow, watery from acids, involuntary with the flatus, choking from fear. ठीक है, diarrhea painless, not debilitating. He is saying diarrhea is profuse, diarrhea is watery, but not debilitating. और अभी तक हमने क्या सीखा? Debilitating. This is a in-between symptom. What we learned of acids in general is what they will continue the activity in spite of
Constant efforts.
constant effort. मतलब what I told first example 72 hours मैंने ड्राइविंग किया. अब बीच में थकावट तो होती होगी ना. 24 घंटे 48 hours you will feel tired, but they keep going on. They keep going on to the extent that वो फ्यूज ही उड़ जाना चाहिए. समझ रहे हो ना? That is what is acid. कि लॉस हो रहा है, लॉस हो रहा है, लॉस हो रहा है, लॉस हो रहा है, एक्सर्शन हो रहा है, एक्सर्शन हो रहा है, हो रहा है, हो रहा है, थकावट महसूस होती है, but still they keep going on, till the remedy it is completely gone. That's why I stressed on the word what? Complete exhaustion. Complete. ये important है. Complete मतलब the part has given up. अभी वो हिल ही नहीं सकता, कुछ कर ही नहीं सकता, खत्म, वो डिजेनरेट होके नेक्रोसिस होके सड़ गया, वो कुछ कर नहीं सकते अभी that kind of. Getting it? Yes. Should I go ahead? Next is urine looks milk. Urine looks like milk mixed with jelly-like bloody pieces, decomposes rapidly, profuse urination at night of clear, watery urine which forms a white cloud at once. Phosphates in excess, nerve waste. Why this symptom? हमने एक डायग्नोस्टिक डिसऑर्डर बोला कि ये इसमें बहुत phosphorus कम है. Diabetes. Common symptom in diabetes. So that's a diabetic symptom. Okay, where you see white coagulated material in the urine, and phosphorus is white color. No, I told you no in the beginning it is white color, but when it gets exposed to air, it becomes yellowish. Next is diarrhea, painless, not debilitating. Okay, ये वापस आ गया. Emissions, frequent, profuse, debilitating after coitus. Most desire after several in one night. Abashed, sad, despair of cure. Okay. So this symptom, I already told you why. Because of several, they completely give away. And give away to the extent that the part is now almost like useless, hopeless. Useless, hopeless, there is no chance of recovery. इतना वो part खत्म हो जाता है. So another important thing of acids in general is they are very focused on loss. You know, डॉक्टर ते झालं संपलं आता काय होऊ शकत नाही ना त्याच्यात. म्हणजे काय ती तर गेली ना आता. सून तर गेली माझी, ती तर काय परत येणार नाही. काय आता काय अर्थ नाही राहिला, काहीच नाही. So for example, if you take in general grief also, okay, there are different remedies for grief. 3 topmost remedies are what? Nitramur, ignitia and acid fos. Nitramur, ignitia and acid fos. ये 3 तो कभी नहीं बोलना. Okay. Chest, weak from talking or coughing. In phthisis. Phthisis is what? Tuberculosis. Okay. Tuberculosis is also very hectic, exhausting, constant disorder. For once patient is having fever, patient is coughing, patient is expectorating fluid, coughing, he gets exhausted. And in tuberculosis also there is destruction. Caseous necrosis is characteristic of tuberculosis. ठीक है? Okay. Cerebral typhoid or typhus, complete apathy and stupor, takes no notice, lies like a log, utterly regardless of surroundings. Intestinal hemorrhage, dark blood. ठीक है? Mental symptom and बाद में बताऊंगा how and why this comes. But remember, what is happening? There is stupor. Okay? There is stupor. There is delirium. To this extent that patient is not aware of the surroundings. यहाँ क्या चल रहा है? कौन क्या बात कर रहा है? What is happening? No awareness. No awareness. ठीक है? This much you remember for now. Rest I will explain later on. Sensation of coldness consists more of an internal shivering than external coldness. One symptom of phosphorus, what we learned, it is inflammable, it is cold, but it is cold to touch. But it is cold to touch. So burning, heat, all this is important in phosphorus. ठीक है? And coldness. Next. Its collateral symptoms of diabetes mellitus are pronounced. ठीक है? This is, so we have learned, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Diabetes is important. Then you have discharges are usually free. Yes or no? Diabetes insipidus and diabetes mellitus. Yes or no?
Yes.
Neurosis of stomach and relieves pains of cancer. Relieves pains of cancer because of the same thing. The background is very exhausting, intense, this, and there is necrosis and degeneration. Now let's move on. Aggravation from mental affection, loss of vital fluids. This second and third symptom is important. Phosphorus craves for, or phosphoric acid craves for fresh, juicy, refreshing things. मतलब fruits, all that they love. Refreshing, and they also desire cold milk. Physical constitution we learned of phosphorus. What is it like? Tall, lean, thin, emaciated, narrow chest or pigeon chested. Pale, sickly looking, glassy appearance of the eyes. Okay, chondritic gums swollen, readily bleeding. Okay, that is also because of jaw affection of phosphorus. They have jaw affection. We learned that, no? Yes or no? Yes. And teeth of phosphorus are generally yellowish in color. Yellowish teeth. Okay. Summary up till now: exhaustion, degeneration, completely give up.